Namaste everyone, this is Praveen Kalla. In this video, let's see how to connect model space to the layout space and from there to the printer. In conventional manual drawing, same sheet we'll use for border lines, nameplate and drawing, the actual drawing. So whereas in AutoCAD, in general, model space will be used for the drawing and the layouts for border lines, nameplate, etc. But this is not compulsory. Model space is not restricted for one diagram. Any number of diagrams in any place of the model space can be drawn as per your wish. Later on, print can be given either directly from the model space or through layout. Similarly, either model space or layout space can be used for a new drawing or can be used for modifying an existing drawing. In this particular video, so I am presenting one particular procedure in which initially model space will be prepared for drawing, then it will be connected to the layout, and from there it will be connected to the printer. And this procedure is similar to manual sheet drawing procedure. First of all, to explain this procedure, I am considering A4 paper size in landscape format, and the dimensions for A4 paper size in landscape are 297 into 210 mm. So first of all, come to the model space. In model space, fix limits for your drawing. Type the command limits and check the current limits. Current left corner are 0, 0. Okay. Right corner is 12, 9. So we want to change it into A4 landscape format, which is 297 into 210. So 297 comma 210. After fixing the limits, then move to snap settings. By default, display grid beyond limits, this will be in on state. Switch off this. Now your limit will be shown, as well as the grid will be displayed only up to your limits. This is an A4 size landscape format. Now move to layout. Go to page setup manager, modify. Now select the printer. As no printers are attached to this system, I am selecting drawing to PDF conversion. And I will select the paper same as it is what I selected in my model space, ISO A4 297 into 210. What to plot is layout and 1:1. Press OK. Close your page setup manager window. This is how your layout looks. Delete the previous layout border. Now type viewports. The full form for viewports is viewports. This command is used to keep connection between model and layout. So in this case, I am selecting, there are different formats. I am selecting single. OK. Fit. So now your model space with the limits what you fixed will be fitted into your layout. As you can see, after putting the connection, again the default border has appeared. Now there is no specific way to delete this default border, but we can use the layers concept to hide this default border. I am using the layers concept. I'm creating a new layer, and I'll name this layer as dummy. I'll switch off this layer. Now come back to the layout, select the default border and move this default border to the dummy layer which we just created and which is in off state. Now the default layer will be hidden. Now again I am moving to model space. In model space, just like conventional manual drawing, I'll start with border lines. The border line what I have drawn in model space will be reflected in the layout. Let's see the print preview. So as it is, it will be shown in the print preview also. Now everything is ready. Just like your conventional manual sheet drawing. So nameplate can be inserted. Objects what we want to draw can be drawn here along with dimensioning. So whatever we are drawing on the model space will be transferred to the layout and from there to the print. Thank you.